lesson of A2. So we are doing benzene today. It's the first chapter of your organic chem. So for benzene, this chapter, right, it requires all your knowledge from your AS chemistry, especially on your organic. So do not throw any notes you have on your AS organic chemistry. So this lesson, we're going to cover a few things. It's going to be the hybridization of benzene, which you need to know. At the same time, you need to know about all the reactions of benzene and the stability of the ring, electrophilic substitution reaction on benzene ring, as well as oxidation reaction for benzene. So at the end of the day, we're going to talk about the optical isomerism for benzene, which involve we will talk about the racemic mixture as well as your enantiomers and the uses of it. So please follow the lesson and fill up your notes, and I'll see you guys soon. Drink more water. Yeah. Hi. Alright guys, let's go. Alright guys, let's look at benzene. So first we have benzene. Benzene ring is also known as arena. So in general, for benzene, right, we call it as aryl compound. Okay, or we call it as aromatic compound. Okay, as for its formula, right, C6H6. Okay, so formula is C6H6. Alright guys, let's look at the benzene. Okay, so this is how a benzene is drawn last time. Okay, so basically, so at first, right, when benzene is introduced, because they do not have, like, maybe a century ago, 2 centuries ago, they do not have electron microscope. So they know that all the carbon, right, it's attached to one another in a ring, and you have 6 hydrogen. So the only way to do it so, right, it's by attaching. Okay, can send this file to the group chat. You need it in the group chat. Can. Give me a second. Very quick. Why no access to? I send the link to the group chat. You guys go and download it. Hey, not in group chat. No access. Okay, I'm sending to the group chat right now. Have it. Please download it. Yeah. Okay, so guys, again, look at your benzene structure. So benzene structure, right, it does look something like that. Okay, then last time when they don't have electron microscope, so how they assume benzene to be, right? So they assume benzene to have a alternative double bond and single bond. So you have alternate double bond, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond. Okay, so this alternate double and single bond structure, right, which is not quite right. So we call it as Kekuli structure. Okay, so what is this Kekuli structure, right? Okay, it's basically an early proposal structure for benzene, which is not quite right. Okay, so it's stated your C double bond C, right, and single bond C is always alternating. Okay, so you have double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. Okay, so this is what it means by a Kekuli structure. But right now we do not draw benzene this way. Okay, so I mean, in some exam question you might still see this, but in actual we do not draw it this way. Okay, so we have another way of drawing benzene right now. Okay, so you can draw this out. Okay, so guys, you see benzene is a hexagonal ring of carbon atoms, each bonded to 1 hydrogen. So Kekuli structure and the hexagonal ring contain 3 double bond C bond. Okay, so again, but what happened is that, right, let's say if you were to draw your benzene this way, okay, so guys, you should remember, if you look at a double bond and a single bond, right, which bond is stronger? Double bond is stronger. Okay, why? Because you have 4 electrons shared here, right? That's right. This is only 2 electrons shared, correct? So if you look at the structure of a benzene, right, I know that the double bond is stronger and single bond is weaker. And which bond is shorter than? Double bond or single bond is shorter? Double bond is shorter, right? So you see, let's say if you were to draw it out in actual, okay, it's not gonna be like that. It's gonna be shorter double bond, longer single bond, correct? Then you have a shorter double bond, then longer single bond again. Then you have a shorter double bond, then longer single bond. Oh my god. If you look at it, right, if you were to draw it long, short, long, short, long, short, this structure itself, right, is not symmetrical. However, after the discovery of electron microscope, right, so they put benzene under the electron microscope, then they look at it, they be like, oh no, benzene structure is a perfect hexagon, you know. It's a perfect hexagon, which means all the bond length are equal. Okay, so the benzene molecule, remember, they are trigonal planar and a symmetrical molecule. I mean, Mr. Chin, I'm so sorry. I will be can. Okay, so guys, again, okay, so if you look at the benzene, right, a benzene, all the carbon, right, it's having the same length. Yeah? Okay, so which means this double bond and single bond structure, right, doesn't really work for a benzene. So for a benzene, the bond length, right, if you look at the double bond, you see double bond, right, is 0.134 mm. Single bond is 0.154. So benzene, right, if you look at the carbon ring in benzene, do you see that it's somewhere between your 0.134 and 154, which means, right, benzene, the carbon bond itself, right, it's longer than a double bond, but shorter than single bond. Understand? Okay, so basically, right, a benzene, you can just imagine, right, instead of a double single bond, right, it's a 1.5 bond. See, this is 2 bond, and this is 1 bond, right? Instead of a 2 and a 1, it's basically a 1.5 for all carbon. Understand? So instead of double, single, right, it's a 1.5 bond, like a for the entire thingy. Is that a pimple patch? Yes, why? What you want? Oh, yeah, I have a big ass pimple. I do not know what. Really go for facial already. I feel so sad. Okay, so longer than a C double bond C, shorter than a C single bond C. Okay. Alright, guys, now test you on your AS knowledge. Trigonal planar structure, hybridization state. Trigonal planar hybridization state is sp2. Thank you so much. So remember, all the benzene, each carbon atom in the benzene, right, it's a sp2 hybridized. Okay. So each carbon atoms, again, sp2 has 3 sigma bond, right? Correct. Okay, so guys, now, okay, let's look at your carbon. So again, right, guys, carbon is group 4, which means how many outermost electron? Has 4, right? So carbon has 4 valence electron, correct? So how they form 3 sigma bond, yeah? So if you look at the benzene structure, guys, so you see this carbon, they will share 1 electron with another carbon, share 1 more electron with another carbon, correct? So they will share 2 electrons to other carbon, forming 2 sigma, correct? What else? So guys, let's get the benzene, you see? What else they share? Correct. So basically, they will share one more electrons with a hydrogen. Am I right? So when they share one electrons to hydrogen, it also form a sigma bond. Correct. So guys, do you see this is your 3 sigma coming from 2 carbon, 1 hydrogen. Correct. And guys, please tell me what is the electron configuration for carbon? 1s2. AS again. Electrons. Carbon is 6. 2s2. 2. Correct. So 2p2. So guys, you see, right? sp2 hybridized, right? Which means you will take 2s and 1p combined. So eventually, right, you still have 1p electrons that is not shared, correct? You see, one more time, carbon has 4 electrons, shared 3 already, correct? Do you see that you still have 1 more p electrons that is unshared? Am I right? Okay, so guys, this electron, right, I call it as loser, like no friends, okay? Then eventually it forms a delocalized ring. Later I'll talk about it. That's it. Okay, please write it down. Give me some time.
How do you guys find the MCQs?
Oh my god, chemistry killed me. The MCQ.
MCQ?
Oh.
Hey, I thought you guys already know how much you guys gotten, right, for MCQ? Because Xiao Hong Su has all the leaked answer, leaked exam answer, bro. Don't need to see.
Taylor was doing the defense paper. So
Oh yeah. Taylor's already written, right?
I won.
It's okay lah. Like nothing can be done. Even after knowing it also, it doesn't really matter. Just wait for your actual result, which will be releasing in
August 4th.
August. I'll wait for all your good news.
Wait, like what if you want to retake AS and your results only come on?
Exactly. You know the funny thing is, right, whoever kids that's sitting for A2 in October, November, right, after getting your result, basically your fate, right, is already determined. It's like once you get your AS result, right, nothing can be changed. Because after getting AS result, right, you basically only have 1.5 months left. Yeah. So basically that's it, That's it, Then you have to, like, there's nothing else you can do already. That's sad. Yeah. So all the best. Alright guys, now time to drop out. Don't trust me, A2 past paper is quite fun. And A2 past paper, one good thing about A2 past paper, right, is highly repetitive. You get me? So AS, right, is not that repetitive, but A2 is very repetitive, like very repetitive. Okay, so if you've done enough past paper, right, it's kind of okay to score on. Alright guys, nice. You see, again, let's look at your carbon again, yeah. So 2 electrons to carbon forming 2 sigma, 1 electrons to hydrogen forming 1 sigma. So basically, you still have 1 more electrons that is not shared, right? So guys, just imagine this. You have 4 kids, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 3 kids, right, these 3 electrons, right, already found friends. Correct. So you have 4 kids, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this bond with a carbon found friend, this bond with another carbon found friend, this bond with a hydrogen found friend. Then you have this fella, right, 1p electrons that has no friend, loser. So this electron, right, you see, usually each carbon, right, will have 1 loser. And this loser is a p electrons, right? So what happens is that the loser usually they will group together. So this user be like, hey, since you and I have no friend, okay, how about we just group together and form a ring? So eventually, all the loser, you see, all the p electrons, right, they will group together and form a ring. Can see that? Ding, ding. Okay, so remember, guys, how the ring is formed? Because each carbon will always have 1 p electrons that is not shared with anybody. It's like a loner, no friends. So eventually, they come to an agreement, be like, okay, you and I, no friends, we should be together. Then boom, form a ring. That's it. Okay, so that's how a ring is formed, because you have 1 unpaired p electrons. Okay, so they overlap with one another, forming a delocalized pi ring system. Okay, so highlight this unhybridized p orbital. You see that? This one? Okay, overlap together to form a ring of delocalized pi ring system. Huh? Yeah. You can spell it.
Yeah.
Who's that? Oh, hello. Where's Solid? Hey, just you two.
Yeah. I know, come.
You.
Why are you people that?
Huh? Because there's a big ass pimple on my face.
Wow, someone use got pattern one.
Yeah, of course lah. Gen Z lah, you guys.
That's game.
Huh? Okay. So above and below the plane of a carbon. That's it. Again, guys, let's look at your pi bond. You see, right? This pi bond is delocalized over 6 carbon. By the way, this is your pi bond. Can you see that? So your pi bond is delocalized above, below, over 6 carbon. That's it. Hey, cup, where's cup?
They're very slow. They're playing game.
You school, no more school. Alright, guys, now let's look at benzene. Okay, in exam, do not draw this, do not draw this, don't draw this nonsense, don't draw this nonsense, draw this in exam. Alright, just a hexagonal ring and one circle in the middle, that's it, done. Hey, hello, what's up? What's up, Habibi? What's it? Hey, you guys very popular. My kid went on TikTok, scroll, then saw all of you guys on like someone's house party.
Yeah, go.
Whose house party?
Ooh,
Whose house party?
I'll show you.
You never know about you.
Don't
We
lie.
have been in a house
Stop
party.
lying.
Seriously?
On God.
On God, on
That
mom,
party always
on
say-
everything, on everything.
But let me see when you
Walk your fat ass.
No, you guys went.
Oh.
Where you get that?
Then suddenly pop up on TikTok, ma.
It's like,
I think
early.
near lah.
Near, bro.
Yeah, suddenly pop
Who
up
is
on
this
TikTok,
friend,
ma.
bro?
So what tell you? Cannot.
Why is he talking this?
Cannot.
That's so creepy.
No, like you guys, your face pop out,
Are
bro.
you jealous?
It's not. Huh?
Yeah, why it was?
Who asked you guys to keep on posting?
Oh, it's not
It's
us.
hers.
Teacher, that's cute.
Huh? Oh, why got 2 nipple on the face one?
It's not lah.
Why is so pigmented? Can you airdrop?
Can.
Thanks, Daddy.
Guys, next question. Let's go do the question now. Go.
Only page 2 lah.
Currently page 3. Tolobutyrol is used in some medicine. Contain the benzene ring. I want you guys to explain the shape, yeah. This ring itself. Please get me the bond angle, hybridization state, how overlap is formed. Go. Please tell me first, guys. I want you guys to tell me bond angle first. Since it's a trigonal planar, what's the bond angle? Yeah, stuff. Thank you very much. Alright, guys, hybridization state. sp2 hybridized will score you second mark. Bye-bye, right? The start. How a sigma and pi bond is formed. This is so ES, right? Come. How sigma is bond is formed. Sigma bond is formed between a direct overlapping between sp orbitals. Correct. Alright, guys. What about pi bond? How pi bond is formed? Side to side way overlapping. Good job. So pi bond is formed. A sideway overlapping between what orbital? What type of orbital? P orbital. Thank you.
Mr. Chin,
Yes.
in the previous context, you said that there's one ring formed at the top and one ring formed at the bottom, right?
Correct, you're right.
Does that mean there are two rings formed?
Okay, does that mean there's two ring form? Yes, you are right. Basically, it forms two ring, like one on top, one below.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry, could you go up again?
Go up again here.
Okay, yeah, that's all. Thank.
Okay. Okay, guys, there's a space in between the questions and your answer, right? I want you guys to draw your SP and P orbital, yeah. Let's go. So guys, now let's look at C and C, guys. In between the C and C, what's the bond? A sigma bond, right? So guys, this sigma bond is formed by what type of orbital? SP orbital. SP orbital overlap with another SP orbital, forming a sigma bond, right? This is a sigma bond for C and C, right? Correct. Am I right? Alright, guys. What about C and H? Please tell me what type of orbital is that? Carbon is a sp hybridized. What about hydrogen? S, correct. So guys, second one, I want you guys to draw one sp orbital. Overlap with a s orbital. This itself is a sigma bond for what? Carbon, hydrogen. Am I right? Guys, the last one, how to draw a pi bond? Sideway overlapping between p orbital, right? So guys, can you see that this is a pi prime? That's a pi bond for the ring, right? Awesome. So if you can't phrase it in words, guys, example, let's say you don't know how to write your direct overlapping, you don't know how to write, you can also draw it out. Drawing will score mark here, yeah. Delocalized electron forming. If they ask you how the ring is formed, did they mention? If they never mention how the ring is formed. If they ask you how the ring is formed, it's the delocalized pi ring system formed from unhybridized p orbital. Okay. Alright, guys, remaining questions. I am not doing it. I want you guys to flip to page 7. Go. Page 2, Joe. Alright, guys, now let's look at naming arrow compound. Okay. Okay, again, if you see a benzene ring, it's just known as a benzene. If you put a chloro, chlorine, chloro, bromine, bromo, iodo, okay? If you see NO2, nitrobenzene, okay? Something new, yeah? If you see OH, phenol. That's it. So again, this is some example that we have. You have a phenol, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol. Okay. So guys, if you see an NH2, we call it as phenylamine. Okay, if you see an NH2, we call it as phenylamine. Alright, guys, if you see a benzene ring, connected to a C double bond O, OH, we call it as a benzoic acid. Thank you very much. Alright, guys, the same thing. If I see this, C double O, O connected to a R group can be any carbon. You see this is an ester, we call it as a benzoate. Alright, guys, next page. What? What are you?
Hey, come with us today dinner. The Pong VK us last week.
Bro, he got so mad.
That-
Bro.
Sorry lah. Actually, oh my god, I actually how can I forget about you guys? I triple check with my mind. Right? I remember I informed everybody. I not left out you guys.
We are so important to you.
I was scratching out last week, I was like, I left the ball, I got on time here early. I see, where's the gym? Not here. I'm like, huh? No way, bro.
Sorry,
That's when
my bad.
no.
We went to one meet.
What you guys do? Mission Impossible.
The
The see naked Tom Cruise.
Got naked.
God half naked.
or the guy 60.
Bro, 60, his body still look damn fine. Let me tell you.
Yeah, I need to go watch my girlfriend.
Who watch Mission Impossible with girlfriend? It's not a romance
Watch
movie.
Lilo and Stitch.
Yeah. That is more like a dating kind of movie though.
I want like Stitch.
Naked where? Go the submarine scene.
Iris is Tom Cruise shouldn't take a job. What the fuck, bro?
Alright guys, let's go.
Tonight to white guy.
Okay, so let's look at the different type of benzene compound that we have and naming it. So when you see a carboxylic acid, guys, you must name it as a benzoic acid. So this is the main functional group that we are looking at. Okay, so this is definitely a benzoic acid. Okay. And guys, after that, let's look at the side group. Do you see a side group? Okay, we don't call it as phenol. So alcohol as a side group is known as a hydroxy. Correct, it's a hydroxyl group. Position, please. 2. Understand? Oh, well done, thank you. Okay, so second one, do you see you have 2 benzoic acid? So it's a dibenzoic acid. Position, please. Thank you very much. One for dibenzoic acid. Dun, 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 dun.
Why? I miss Lucas, bro.
Alright guys, now. Okay, let me highlight the main functional group for you. What do you call this as?
Bro, that's my king.
You call it as phenol, right?
The jeans my young beats.
I don't like lah. Johnny.
I say my young beats of cam lah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. So guys, how many chloro? 2, 4, 6. Trichloro. Well done. And guys, let's look at it. What do you call this as? One. This and ester, right? So ester, we call it as a benzoic. Okay, before methylbenzene, guys, do you still have a side group here? No, NO2, we don't call it as amine. NH, we call it as amine. NO2, we call it as nitro. Well done. Position of nitro, 3. And you have a methyl group, right? So methyl 3-nitrobenzene. 3-nitrobenzoic. Understand? Yes, Kaylin, nitro, yeah, nitro. Wait. What? What you have to type everything 3 times. Alright. Huh? Nah, my fan body from is it? They're not seeing me for 2 weeks. I grew a big ass mole on my face, right?
So blonde black. Actually, I was like, what's the black thing?
Black thing, right? Is a black color. Oh yeah, it's black color. I chose a black color today. I got a purple one. I like black ma. Black color sexy.
Big printed one. Put on your
Big printed. No.
on your body.
No. Alright, guys, why methyl in front of nitro? Because, guys, do you remember how to write your ester? How to name your ester? Ester is always like alcohol, propyl, ethanoate, alright, correct. Okay, so again, CO, this is your carboxylic acid, right? That methyl is named after that one. So methyl, then it's benzoate. This is a benzoate, then methyl. So benzoate is the one with nitro, right? So it has to be 3 nitro.
Let's take. Let's
Ruby is in China now clubbing. Done with A2 already. Alright guys, right now let's look at reaction of arenes. Okay, so what is arene, right? Remember, it's just a benzene group, right? Yeah, I have main chat. So there's no need between methyl. No. There's no need between methyl. No need for a dash between methyl and the tree because it's a spacing in between. Alright guys, now most reaction of benzene maintain a highly stable delocalized of pyrene system. Highlight maintain. Guys, again, for reaction of benzene, right, you don't break the ring, the ring will still be there after the reaction, okay? So this happens when you are substituting an atom or group into the benzene ring, okay? So usually the initial attack is always by electrophile. Okay, highlight the word attack is usually by electrophile. Okay, and it's attracted to the high electron density region around the benzene ring. That's it.
Next week cannot come.
Where you guys going? Are you? 4 of you guys.
No.
That means not going. What Jami? I also want to go Langkawi.
See all the baddies, what?
I'm not talking to you. So annoying. Wow, the last time I've been to Langkawi was don't so mad lah. Alright guys, if you have a benzene, add a Cl2.
I thought you still talk.
What it turns into?
So they just end.
It turns into a halo benzene, yeah.
Can you wait until dinner so we can hear it?
Yeah.
Because it was right.
Because if I see you guys, I cannot.
Focus, right? Good lah.
That much.
Okay, so guys, when the HCl is formed, you see white film here.
Wrong side.
I'm putting it the right way.
Isn't it the other side? So
No ah.
the straw doesn't because this one you can take the whole straw off. Yeah.
Okay, you tell me why you take the whole straw off for? There's no purpose.
No, like let's just say your thing like
You see, right? It's meant to be like that, so you can when you remove the straw the straw will still be intact. You see?
I think
Let's say if you do it like that, right? It's a stupid move. You see? Okay, let's say if you do it like that, right? How? You take it out. That's like that. Then you have to stop it in again.
so what?
You see? Every time I go and refill water, I have to go and pour it. Then what's the point of the straw staying inside?
Okay, you turn the fucking cup, then the straw fall out in the key, bro.
Who done the freaking
Accidentally the water drop like that, right? Then the fucking straw fall out.
What? You see, if you turn right, it won't fall on.
This
This is the correct way.
No, you put it there, you put it there now.
Who you will go and turn your
No, we test bro, what is so? Yeah, it's also not wrong.
yeah.
It's just like
Because and somehow you see the Starbucks word is printed on here, so it's meant to be shown to the world. If you hide it inside, cannot be shown in it. There's a Starbucks, you see, there's a Starbucks, yeah, that's why you see Starbucks is all about marketing, one cannot be hiding at the bottom, right? Yeah. But all my students always argue with me. What happened? What you did to Johnny? Who's angry?
Wait until the
Alright guys, let's go. Again, benzene will undergo electrophilic substitution. Highlight the word electrophilic substitution. Okay, when a halogen is bubbled, okay, through a benzene at room temperature, yeah. Okay, but you need a catalyst. The catalyst, right, it's AlCl3 or FeBr3 as a catalyst. AlCl3, no Al2CL6 is different. It's AlCl3. Haven't hit tendons. Alright, guys, next. The catalyst in the reaction, right, is known as a halogen carrier. Alright, guys, to do the first step of this reaction, right, what you need to do, you have to create an electrophile first. Highlight the word first step is to create electrophile. Okay, so the Br2 molecule forms a dative bond with iron 3 bromide. Then this draw electron from the other bromine atom, blah, 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 blah. Oh my God, so annoying. So guys, you see, let's say, right, if you were to substitute a benzene ring with Br, I have a bromine 2, Br. Then if I add a FeBr3, okay, an electrophile will be created. So you get a Br plus. Okay, Br plus is our electrophile. And FeBr4. That's it. So the first step is to create electrophile. Yeah, remember that. Jason is here. Michelle. Amber. AB not here. Kaylin, Silas, you, Jennifer, can you make it today? Sudan, Mavin, Junxian. Here also Sujai, we'll see you also not here. Rania is here. Shritan is here. Shelly cannot make it. Alisa not here today. Chantal? No, I'm not Chantal.
You're going for the SS2.
Yeah. I'll leave her.
Never seen him so long. She should put on men.
I'm asking you why.
Oh, I thought it was a base girl.
Why?
Because I told her
To
later I asked her, I didn't know, but then
Alright, guys, next. The Br plus cation, okay, attack the electron-rich benzene ring. So once you have a Br plus, right, okay, it can attack the benzene ring right now. So guys, let's look at it. I have a benzene ring, and if I put a Br plus here, so it's gonna attack the benzene ring, but when you're drawing the arrow, right, it's always from the ring to your Br, yeah? Because the arrow is always representing the direction of electron flow. So the electron is flowing from the ring to the Br plus. Understand? Done? When this happens, right, the ring will be broken partially. You get the plus here. And this time, you have a H and you have a Br. Yes, always remember from the ring to your electrophile. Why? Because arrow is representing the movement of, correct. So the electron comes from the ring towards the electrophile. Okay.
Are you following it?
Wait, guys, wait.
Japanese.
You
Japanese.
just follow us. You don't need to.
Again, what you mean again? No, I that shit too much. No.
Finally, you say that.
Well,
Hi guys, when this happens, okay, the electrons from the hydrogen, yeah, so this bond, right, will be broken. The entire pair of electrons transfer back to the ring. Okay, so the entire pair of electrons transfer back to the ring. Eventually, you get a Br and a H plus. Done. That's your entire mechanism. Please write it down.
Sushi is almost cheap.
How much is your daily allowance, you guys? Or monthly allowance?
I don't know. I don't ask. This spend at least I would say a minimum K plus.
The
Well,
month.
give me 1,000 a month.
I
One
just
thousand
use
a
my
month.
dad's. I don't know. My dad always give me money. I don't ask money.
So he just every day just throw money at you.
Not every day lah.
Wow, what a
Like once a week.
then he just
like-
pass you like one whole stash of time. You should be like, spend it.
No lah, you say like save lah.
Oh,
I use my money for I don't even buy anything. All my money got all.
You only buy
Yeah, he only eat.
no, eat.
That's the only.
Bulking season, I say, Kabilang big size.
Actually, I walking 10,000 years ago. And walking 1 year, I have lost 1 kg.
Good lah, means you hardly get fat lah. Alright guys, remember that the curly arrow is showing the transfer of 2 electrons. Yeah. When you want to come with me?
Where did you go be able? Can you like walk a bit, you go to walk?
Huh? Where?
for keep for people to like to like.
No, we go other gym. We go other gym one day.
Yeah, let's go walk with them. Right opposite game.
Can really? Yeah.
Yeah, serious.
Let's go.
Serious.
Serious. When? What time?
If you say morning, you I need energy, bro.
Yeah, what time?
Bro, this guy. Like I get a pump before I go there on date lah.
By the time you reach to the restaurant, it's already gone.
Alright guys, next. The hydrogen itself, right? Now this H plus is removed by your AlCl4 minus or your FeBr4. So guys, you see, just now I mentioned, right? FeBr3 is a catalyst. Okay? I have my FeBr4 here. So FeBr4 will react with a H plus to reform a FeBr3 plus HBr. Do you see in this reaction your catalyst is reformed?
So what would you wear on a date?
Huh?
Would you wear long sleeve or short sleeve?
Polo.
No, strapless.
Oh, no one having sex. No fun.
Hey, don't like that lah, please lah.
Should have sex mode. I cannot get a sex mode. Halal. Come on.
Polo tee, bro.
Polo tee, man.
Yeah lah.
Polo tee makes you look so old. You guys so young.
But I
Wear
always have
something
hoodie
else
lah.
ah.
A whole drip
Where-
photo.
No, just wear long sleeve. Wear a hoodie, wear a hoodie, wear a hoodie, wear a hoodie.
Don't listen to him. Old generation.
Who wear polo tee to a date, bro? I don't even do that.
Now it's the trend.
Really?
Yeah.
Not really.
Yeah, it's
Polo tee is finally coming back.
Yeah.
Oh, it's always back.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
It's
Yeah.
to be there.
yeah.
I have like tons of polo shirt, like polo, whatsoever brand you name it, I have it. Yeah, it's all hanging there.
Better than bikini.
Better than. Alright guys, let's go. So AlCl4, let's say if you use AlCl3 kid, you see, then it forms the AlCl4 minus, right? Then you can take this AlCl4 minus, react with H plus, forming AlCl3. Yeah. Okay. So eventually your catalyst is always regenerated in the second step. Yeah.
So
Alright guys, next page. Page 9. Okay, so observation, guys, what is the observation? You see, at first, if you use a Br2, okay, if you use a chlorine, right, you see a green gas, right? So at the end of the day, there's no more green gas and turns into a white fume. Let's say if you use a bromine, it's a brown gas. At the end of the day, white fume. Okay. So brown gas or yellow green gas decolorizes, you get a white fume of HCl, HBr is formed.
regenerating. I cannot see them.
They finish your mine also.
Right.
Mine.
Right. Right. October, November, exam, how to know 9? Cannot.
Or change the
Cannot. But God, you guys can make it before you guys can dim sum afterward. Best timings about. Then what other time you guys want it to be? 7:30 to 9:30. 8 to 10.
I don't think they will want me.
I don't think they will want 8 to 10. Too late already. They go back is 11, 12 already. 7:30 to 9:30. Yeah, man, better.
Or what happened to Friday classes?
Huh?
What happened to Friday classes?
Ended.
No, I mean like why can't it be Friday again?
So you
I can't be here. I need to be here physically for them. Friday you can come find me. That will be your extra timing. Alright guys, next. I haven't decided yet. Let me arrange my new AS intake, then I'll decide. Okay guys, let's go.
put your new AS10.
Hmm?
Put your new AS2.
Cannot lah. I need to sort. I need to be here on.
Then we have to see how strong Johnny got on foundation.
They will come on.
Needs to be a-
Alright guys, let's look at your methylbenzene. Okay, let's say if you have a methylbenzene, right? Okay, so again, if you have any LQ group attached to a benzene ring, I want you guys to write this down. So if you have an LQ group attached to a benzene ring, right? So guys, according to AS, what type of effect an LQ group has? What effect? Electron donating group, right? Well done. So they are electron donating group. Okay, which means they're gonna have something effect. What effect? Well done. They're gonna have this positive inductive effect, right? So they're gonna have this positive inductive effect on the benzene ring. Okay, so when positive inductive effect occurs on the benzene ring, okay, so it's gonna have this ring activating property. Okay, so when the ring is when the ring gets activated, position 2 and position 4 will be open. So we call this as a 2-4 directing effect. Hey guys, this you have to memorize. Last time it's given in your data booklet. Nowadays, you guys have to memorize.
Blend it with them.
Huh?
Blend it. Yeah.
Alright guys, now let's look at your 2-4 directing effect, which means okay, so this position is gonna get opened up, this position gets opened up, this position gets opened up. So let's say any substitution, right? For example, let's say if you take a Cl, it's gonna go into here, it's gonna go into here, it's gonna go into here. Not this part, not this part. That's like that we call it as a 2-4 directing effect if you see a benzene. Alright guys. Please shut it down. Once done. Let's continue. Give you guys about 1 minute washroom break. Then we're gonna continue to grind another hour. Huh? Huh? I'm thinking.
Just be there lah.
Join you guys for a while. But
I don't really understand this one.
What the fuck is this? Super.
Oh, be there.
oh, this one. Can someone ask me? Not really understand this part.
That's all I'm saying.
Alright, so let's look at carbon. How many outermost electron? Carbon group. Carbon which group? 4, right? Which means carbon will always have 4 outermost electrons, correct? So which means in order for it to be stable, carbon would share the 4 electrons away, right? So you see carbon share 2 electrons here. 1, 2. That's it. Share 2 electrons to neighboring carbon, forming 2 sigma bond. Here. Understand? Then carbon will share another electrons to a hydrogen, forming another sigma bond. Okay, so let's look at this carbon now. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. So already 3 sigma bond, right? But carbon has 4 outermost electrons, which means there will be 1 more p electrons that is not shared with anybody. Understand? So this p electron that is not shared, right? You see, each carbon will always have 1 more p electrons that is not shared to any other carbon. Clear? So this fellow is like a loner, no friends, so they're gonna group together, forming a ring. That's it. So that's how a ring is formed. Clear?
So the one remaining electron constant level.
Sorry?
No.
Yes, correct. So the ring itself is actually a pi bond. Basically, they will just group together, forming a ring like that. Because carbon will always have 1 p orbitals that is not shared between any atoms. Let's see or not. Let's look at this. Carbon 4 electron, right? 1, 2, 3 only. Then the 4th one is the p orbital. Then the p orbital will group together, forming a ring. Understand? Clear? Alright guys, let's continue. Alright kid. So methyl group in a methylbenzene are electron donating group. So electron donating group, right, are said to be ring activating. Highlight the word electron donating group, ring activating, 2,4 directing. Okay, 2,4 directing here. So guys, again, let's say if you halogenate any alkyl benzene, so the position, the halogen will either go into a position 2 or 4, yeah, giving a mixture of 2 or 4, 2 chloro or 4 chloro methylbenzene. So again, kid, let's say if I take this methylbenzene, okay, and this time I'm adding it to a Cl2 with AlCl3 catalyst. Alright guys, what are you telling me to do? Go, draw it up. Sorry, don't need to show that. Shit, I put too much salt. It's damn salty, bro, my chicken. Can't you eat protein or not? When you bulking, you can eat protein or not?
It's susah to get the protein though.
No, like me.
I want to eat.
400 grams of chicken.
I want. Oh, you eat that? I want to eat the what my mother. Eat what my mother eat that.
Tell your mother, Mom, I want to be big. Then your mom will prep the chicken for you.
Mother, she doesn't want me to get.
Because she know your.
Wait, benzone, what benzone? Where got benzone?
Taking for what?
So guys, where we go? If you go into a position 2 or position 4, right? So you either get a 2 chloro, alright, or you'll be getting a 4 chloro, understand? You can have 2, 4, 6, but it's not for alkyl. Yeah, if it's phenol, then it will be a 2, 4, 6.
Let me see what that again.
Benzene what? Since when I wrote benzone, it's a benzene.
I'm talking about side.
Yeah.
Sorry? In this case, there's no major minor. Both are considered a major product. There's no major minor. You just get a mixture of 2 and 4. Okay?
So do we pick one or one?
You can draw anyone in the zap. Okay, but cannot draw 3, 5. Alright, guys, next. The carbon halogen bond in the halogenal alkane. Okay, is stronger than blah 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 blah. Because the lone pair on the halogen overlaps with the delocalized pi ring system. That's it. Now, Sujai, later this part will answer your question on the 246. Okay. Alright, so guys, now let's say if you have a benzene
No some body lah.
or an LQ benzene.
Must have been the wind.
Oh my god. Okay, so you can either take AlCl3 as a catalyst or FeBr3 as a catalyst with a Cl2 or Br2, yeah, depending on what you are substituting. And guys, from a benzene, it's gonna turn into what? A halo benzene. Or from an LQ benzene. So an LQ benzene is gonna turn into either a 2 or 4 halobenzene. Understand?
So can we settle on beta first?
Why not 3 chloro? Cannot. Again, when we have LQ group, it's always 2, 4, 6 directing. Okay. Mechanism, electrophilic substitution, yeah. Afternoon ago. I like afternoon.
Where?
Nearby go what? SS2.
SS2.
Uptown go what?
Why? SS2 you know where or not? I have to drive, go in bus.
What is the three?
What after me?
No.
Close to 30 lah.
What the expensive day?
Bonda you share between 4. Bonda is paying $6 per person.
One split
$7
for
per
people is
person.
fine,
No man, cannot man.
Big fat fat.
Literally finish one.
You guys are so rich. Last time when I was doing my A-levels, I can only afford nasi lemak.
This one I
One packet.
He likes nasi lemak. Every time he suggests,
I don't like nasi lemak, but my wallet only allowed me to go for nasi lemak.
always bring us to eat fucking nasi lemak.
What a rich kid.
3 days after one.
Alright guys, let's say
Oh, baby that.
if you have excess bromine, guys. Okay, what's gonna happen? So okay, so guys, let's say if I react with a Br2 and this one your Br2 is excess. So what are the possible product that you are getting? This is under FeBr3. So guys, when it's excess, right, means you have more than two, okay, two or more bromine is being substituted. So I can put my Br here, position 2, position 4. So you get a 2,4 dibromo. What else? 2,6, well done. Or you can get a 2,6 dibromo. Okay, or 4,6 cannot be 4,6, guys. Can anyone tell me why can't it be a 4,6?
Because 6 is the same place.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Guys, why can't it be a 4,6? It's the same as a 2, 4. The last one is gonna be, what about putting 3 bromine? It's gonna be a 2, 4, 6. Well done. 10. If it's under excess. Understand? You was tired.
Why am I not asking Ronnie?
He did.
I don't know. Why you want to ask him?
Sorry, could you repeat why it's not what was it? The other one? T.
Why is it not 4, 6
Yeah.
Okay, this can be a 4, 6.
Can't hear you.
But if you turn it this way, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 2, 4 over.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Alright guys, once done, next question, we have, next page, we have exercise. Let's do it now.
We get 1 hour break.
When we get 2, 4, 6,
Excess. Alright. If they never mention excess, no. Just 1 bromine.
You know
I
my
said,
phone
I
is
said,
off.
I said, access not enough.
Did you just talk someone to text me?
Yes.
Yeah. I know you're willing to prefer. Because I was like, what's suddenly help us?
I'm always using his Snapchat.
Do you think? I don't think I'll go back to the same as her.
Alright guys, do the next question, let's
I don't
go.
think go back to the same friendship, but I'm not sure. Like,
It wouldn't exactly the same.
no, but it's like, how do I say it? It's like, I don't want it to be like that if I have to go through the way she wants it to be. Like, you know what I mean?
Konnichiwa.
How I see it, she also has
Okay,
respect.
step not done.
Now she's
Your arrow
expecting you.
30.
Because she will do it for me. But it's so stupid.
No, if she I swear if she confronts me, everything is settled.
She's not.
I know, that's why. That's why. That's why. So like,
Also, I was just say I feel so bad that I think like I don't want to put effort because it's just like we're going through a hard patch. But then at the same time, it's just so like bro, it's a fucking friendship, not a relationship. Like I feel like friendship you shouldn't.
You send this to her.
No, definitely not. I sent to everyone except. So I sent her a GG book. GG.
Please don't. She's gonna hit me for more after this.
Girls. She had a problem with your relationship. She really had.
Done?
And then
Alright guys, let's go exercise. That's done.
and he did the same. I know what I said. He was John.
I think you're.
I said he did nothing. It's Jordan.
That's
And
it.
he-
I'm
and he
I'm gonna-
and he asking to others. He thinks it's
Okay.
one of his roles. So I don't see it as anything. But obviously she does.
She's a girl. I
Exactly.
understand
That's
that.
why. But then, like, if I don't agree and bitch about you, like how she does.
Alright guys, the next question, please try. Try.
Why would I bitch about you? You're not. It's just her. But she expects me.
Page 9, 10. Haley, where are you? You back to KTJ, man? Why you never come physical? Huh? Prom, huh?
What the fuck you touching all the blueberries?
I want the hard one.
Yeah, you like it hard.
Oh.
Yeah, I still don't like the mushy ones.
Oh, you are coming for our prom.
Shake though.
Wait, why KDJ prom so early one?
I don't know that.
Oh, the form 5. It's actually for the form 5. Oh, then what it has to do with Kaylin? Committee ah? No lah, I think Kaylin dating all the younger guy ah. Yee. Why you go prom with all the junior? Yee. Dating junior. Pedophile. Dating form 5 kids going to their prom. Junior cuter than people my year.
Huh?
Very wrong. Very wrong,
Who
Kaylin.
said that?
Kaylin says so.
Always date younger men.
Huh?
Yeah, my God.
Date younger men ah?
Don't date younger men.
Right.
God traumatize you.
We don't call them younger men, we call them younger boy. Just that I'm smarter. Look at your friend. Alright guys, let's go.
Look at for breakfast date.
Cl2 reacts with AlCl3.
Just her. Mantap.
Mantap. I also
I
want,
think Ira has nothing with Cheryl,
I
right?
also want to go with Cheryl.
I mean, he also with you sometimes.
That's it, guys.
Fine.
Okay, it's in your notes, page 8, yeah. Okay, guys, now
Anything in my
benzene react with the electrophile generated. You have to draw your Cl plus here, kid. Do you draw your Cl plus? Do you draw your arrow go here? Yes or no?
Don't put it at the same day lah.
This one is no SM1, SM2.
Is it just
No.
only one like you and Cheryl, right? Because it's been a long time.
All right.
I don't mind like it.
I mean, it's really up to you and her lah.
Then, guys, you have a H. You have a Cl here, right?
Wake up.
Guys, arrow from H. Go back to the ring, right? Do you draw that?
I think I can.
And finally, do you draw your H plus?
Oh, wait.
That's your 3 marks, huh?
Oh, tomorrow. I have to go.
Yes,
for
you need to show a positive charge in the circle. Oh, no. As in like this. No. The other charge, this one. No need.
But it brings it.
Okay, you just put a positive there, it's fine.
Okay. No. If you want to.
Oh, okay.
If you don't want, I'm so sorry.
I mean,
It
at
doesn't.
least you wake up early morning.
Teacher,
Yes,
do we add the H positive?
come again.
Do we add the H positive
Do we add the H positive? Which one? This one.
at the last year? No, at the
Oh,
last.
yeah. You have to. The H
Okay.
plus must be.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, as in this one.
Yeah, that was
Because it's always here, what? CH, right? That's it. So, guys, you see, when you are drawing all your mechanism, you have to maintain all the atoms are balanced, charges are balanced. Do you see you have a plus here? Do you see you have a plus here? Do you see at last you also have a plus here? Let's see. Okay, guys, that's how you draw a mechanism. You have 3 marks. Easy peasy. Next page. I don't need you guys to do this. I want you guys to look at page 12.
I swear your plates are always salty. I don't know where.
What do you mean?
The layer is salty.
Oh, of course, I wash it with salt water. Ma.
I walk into the center, I can smell your food from there.
I can smell the chicken.
Not the chicken, the vegetable one. You inside the chicken box.
The bell pepper, I think. The bell pepper smell damn strong.
Why is it so mushy?
I don't know. I think I.
Blueberry is like sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad.
It's way bad, bro. I eat it as seed.
No, I like the firm one. I like the firm ones. I like blackberry.
Alright, guys, let's go.
No color of that shit. White.
Second one, let's look at your free radical substitution. Yeah. So again, Chlorine will react with a methylbenzene in the presence of UV light. Yeah. Guys, by the way, this reaction, right, is your AS reaction. Yeah.
Oh, Jordan, we posted.
Semi probably yes.
Chapter 13. Okay, for free radical substitution of alkane. All right, guys, next. You see, right? The substitution happens on alkane. Highlight the word. Substitution happens on alkane that is located outside the benzene ring. Yeah.
What's she gonna say? Because it's between them, no, right?
Okay, and not on the benzene ring. Yeah.
I said the shot and just out there.
All right, guys, let's go.
It's your best friend, and he's closer to me.
All right, guys, you see, right? Let's say if you have a CH3, and if I add a Cl2, this time, right, I never add FeBr2 or AlCl3. Okay, instead I put UV light. Okay, what's gonna happen is that one of the hydrogen will get substituted on the alkane group outside the benzene ring. You can see it's outside the benzene ring, yeah, that gets substituted, not inside the benzene ring, yeah.
Take pics of our.
Oh my God, Langkawi is gonna be.
Thank you.
Don't get drunk, Don't get drunk, get naked,
I
come
told
in.
her. I told her when you swim, you accidentally drown because you'll come and see me.
Oh, his underwear, bro. Look at this guy.
You guys are very weird, bro.
Not
Is
the
it-
him, bro.
Have you seen him?
Yeah, sure. I think this kidding.
Right.
Damn.
Take video of people, right? Purposely, who take of the guy? Okay, let's say you're the hot guy, go like that already, right? And then got one fat guy come in, straight
You're
like,
so
up
fat.
the guy, and then zoom into the guy again, bro. Damn sad.
Why are you referring to Nicholas that? God.
That's what girls need, bro.
Why you body shaming people?
The goal is to send Zenbin this video. So obviously people feel married, right? The fuck?
You don't understand that.
And then when the fat guy come in, she don't put the camera at him. What?
He got a lot of pictures. True.
Huh?
Right, guys, let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so you see, guys, from 3 carbon, when you substitute it with excess Cl2, and under UV light, it's gonna be, okay, 1 hydrogen is removed, correct? Then 2 hydrogen is removed.
Stop, you better not tell him.
Then last hydrogen is removed.
Oh, why would I say
He's
that?
not gonna talk to us.
Outside. So guys, remember the UV substitution, right? It's gonna happen 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine at a time, and will only stop, right, once you do not have any more hydrogen on the alkane outside the benzene ring. Remember, it's outside the benzene we are substituting, not inside. It's outside the benzene. Please, this was AS reaction.
Delete this video, by the way.
He's not gonna go through and see. If he does, then that's a. Yeah.
Oh, delete every video you have to get videos.
No lah.
No,
It's
you
a-
don't have
you can
to.
make a bad.
Bro,
Look
You
at
can
me at the
see-
front.
You can see his.
Hey, no.
It's. Hold on.
Huh?
Like, look, it's so prominent, even though it's blurry.
Huh?
yeah.
Hold on, I have more.
Not really. You guys actually find apps the most attractive.
Normal for them lah.
They always talk shit about that.
Good. Who's this?
The same guy.
I think that apps,
They don't hang out with me, suddenly.
apps is a lot of discipline.
Ashley.
Oh, the province one.
Ashley and Melvin friend group.
Alright guys, let's go. So let's say, right, if I have an alkyl benzene, okay, and I add a Cl2, Remember, the condition is UV light. Yeah? So an alkyl benzene will turn into a halo alkyl benzene. And the mechanism is free radical substitution. Yeah. So this is just like your ES reaction. Yeah? Your initiation, termination, propagation. Okay, but the initiation, propagation, termination, right? The mechanism is not gonna come out in A2. Don't worry. You just need to know the name.
It came out in
Yeah, it came out in AS only, but you don't need to know the mechanism. Okay. People, you had a
last year October.
GG MCQ. Hmm.
I think I would be at the road. Yeah, I have a shitload of these and these.
These.
Sorry.
Oh, you don't need that really anything to put the someone.
Yeah.
What do you mean? I'm very modest.
I want to suck his dick.
At least I don't go for O11s.
Okay,
What's 011?
2011.
Oh, you?
I
No, people can you not go after 2011? What the hell? 21 is what? 2025 minus
lah,
2011.
We exaggerate it a bit lah.
No lah, not 2-1-1 lah. One closer to my brother's age lah.
Imagine dating your brother.
Oh no.
But 14 years old, can you guys stop pedophilia, please?
This one lah, Johnny me.
Not me,
So
bro.
you will see like
Hey, benzene, baby, benzene. ENE, not benzone, ENE. You guys are so.
Wait, I'm died down.
No, I say Jonathan.
You did not doubt down. You just went all into her too.
011 ah, oh my god.
No lah, not 09. 09.
09 ah. 20.
16. Ready to do the math one.
I still need to show. His brother is 16 years old. People still in the IGCSE. They don't capture people singing about IGCSE. Ah.
Yeah, but it's only 70.
What the hell? You guys are.
Only 70.
Ooh,
What you doing?
18 makes it sound bad by the way.
Yeah, fine.
you guys are so weird.
Yeah, I didn't know, but this time.
Alright, guys, next page. Nitration of benzene. Let's go. Alright, kid, what is nitration of benzene, right? I think of benzene and NO2. Thank you very much. What it turns into? It turns into a nitrobenzene. Can end faster, no? I'm a bit full. A bit full.
I wonder why.
Bad.
That's them your accident.
No, that's
No, I'll see it.
There's camera in this moment.
no lah.
It's
What
me
in
and
like 10%?
it's me and you and you.
10%.
No, she just like wow.
Let me see.
Wow.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, sir. Just told me she's like wow.
Alright, guys, by the way, this is a nitric acid HNO3.
Talk about it.
I think I shouldn't.
Does not matter, honestly. He's your best friend. So
I mean, like, you know, like, I go out of my way to go and find Jordan.
she doesn't even know the full story and she's just I don't know. I don't think she
Alright, guys, next. Okay, nitration happens when one or more hydrogen atom on the benzene ring is replaced by NO2. Yeah. So, guys, highlight the word electrophilic substitution again. Okay, and guys, this time, what do you need? You need a concentrated HNO2 and a HNO3 and concentrated
fighting.
H2SO4. Highlight this concentrated HNO2, the HNO3, H2SO4. Oh, I'm finally done. With flux about 55 degrees. Alright, guys, next. Again, always remember, right? The first step, since it's an electrophilic substitution, you need to create your electrophile. Okay, first step is to create electrophile, yeah. Okay, so the nitronium is made from a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. So guys, I want you guys to construct this equation. H2SO4 plus HNO3 turns into, that is your electrophile. That's it. So A2 organic Tafel, inorganic Tafel. I would say organic Tafel. No, equally Tafel. It's crazy. Transition is quite crazy. I'm gonna spend one whole month talking about transition. Yeah?
I think I'm going to pay.
Transition.
I think I have.
Transition is IG starting.
But they didn't. Then after that.
Alright guys, balance the equation by putting a 2 in front. Alright, by the way, this is your electrophile, yeah? Alright guys, this equation, go and memorize it, yeah?
Star? Star?
Huh?
Remember?
Yeah, go and memorize it, please.
What star?
Yeah, put star. You have to memorize this equation, please.
When is this? When is this, by the way? I got new appointment. Come find you guys.
What they doing?
Football.
So blue where?
Oh, I just so blue to fucking blue.
Alright guys, next. Electron from the benzene ring are donated to the NO2 group. So guys, this time, I want you guys to draw it out, yeah? If I take a NO2 plus, what's gonna happen? Draw the product for me.
Only the HY guy.
Okay, NO, right? So basically, go here, correct? Alright guys, that's it, right? If my NO2 go here, yeah. When you break the ring, guys, you always break the ring according to where you are substituting it. So let's say if you're substituting into this carbon, you break it here. Can see that? So the ring opening matters. You don't put your ring opening here, guys. Okay, so ring opening must be facing the part that you are substituting. So you have a H and NO2, right? And a positive charge, correct? Am I right? What the? Alright guys, next. I want you guys to highlight this carbon. Just highlight this carbon. Highlight this carbon. Kid, I have a question regarding this carbon. Please tell me, what is the hybridization state of this carbon? Is it still sp2? It's no longer sp2, right? It's sp3. Can see why? You see 1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma, 4 sigma. Can see that? Remaining other carbon, 1, 2, and the hydrogen. Can see other carbon are sp2 except for this carbon here. It's an sp3. Okay, guys, elaborate more. How many sigma bond? 4 sigma bond in the highlighted carbon. Alright, guys, elaborate more. Bond angle and the shape. 109.5 tetrahedral. Understand? Clear up. Again, when the ring is broken, this carbon, the intermediate carbon will always have 4 sigma bond. Yeah?
My day.
I heard you.
My day. On birthday.
Okay, eventually,
She also made it.
See, right? Who date?
No, I can go on the
See
date.
this guy?
I can lunchtime also date, bro.
So tomorrow?
okay, guys, you see, you have to regenerate your H2SO4, right? Okay, let's say just now, yeah, I just draw the arrow, go back like that, right? This time, I'm gonna show it with your HSO4 here. So if I take a HSO4, so why you say intermediate carbon? Oh, this is intermediate step. Okay, so you have a lone pair here on your sulfur, donate electrons to hydrogen,
I will see her on
and the hydrogen break away from the benzene.
I'm not bring on movie also like someone like on Saturday or Sunday.
Wow, movie some more.
So,
Sweet,
so then what? Breakfast with Cheryl, lunch with Ira.
No, I'm not going breakfast.
Oh.
Why you go, why you different timing have different girls, man?
Bro, what is my best friend, bro?
You say it was fun.
There's a girl.
Bro, you different timing, different girl. Breakfast with this girl, lunch with another girl.
That's so fucked up. She's my best friend, so I don't see her like that.
Hi guys, what happened? You see these two fella? You look at their face,
Bro, chill.
they're judging you.
Bro, chill.
Even Johnny stuff.
Donnie is known to be a playboy lah.
Leaving you.
Hey, you kena, I kena you that.
Alright guys, do you see your nitrobenzene here? At the same time, this hydrogen will combine to reform your H2SO4 catalyst. Can see that? So your catalyst is reformed. Clear.
Am I dating her or is he dating her? Am I dating her or is he dating her?
I feel like I will know better.
No, you will not know better.
So like,
You're treating Ira like a bro now, bro.
yeah, I want to go there. So my friend looking for.
You didn't say you're not going out with Cheryl, though. Yeah, so why is not on it?
So I can spend from. No, he wants to wait for her. At Sungai Buloh. 4:30.
This guy want to leave halfway, not halfway.
I had lunch date with her lah.
You said dinner just now.
Okay, at least lunch. I didn't even know what date, whether lunch or dinner.
But then like, you're gonna leave for the chance to leave.
What lah? Just tell her we football lah.
And then she wants to go with something that.
She's not gonna be like that, bro. She's not like other girls, bro.
It's always like that at the start.
Yeah. That's why guys don't step into a relationship or else you're gonna have problem like Kabila. Cannot go here, cannot go there.
It's not a deal.
Hey, so annoying.
It's not because I dedicate other days to her completely.
Alright guys, show your diagram. Once done, next page. Page 14.
I bet $5 that the first big argument they're gonna have is about that. Something like that.
Okay, fine.
$5 ah. Make it 50.
If you want to make it in the that 7.
No, you think about it this way. If I spend dinner with her, I only have 4 hours with her. If I spend from
Alright guys, 14.
yeah,
So let's say right,
She got curfew also.
if you take a temperature that is higher than 60 degrees,
You settle for them.
no,
okay, then you will get 2 nitro group, yeah. Alright guys, I want you guys to join up.
Too much lah.
Whoosh. Okay, let's say if you get it more than, wait a second, let me verify again because I think the latest 2025 onwards they have a new, is it more than 55 or more than 60?
bro.
Hey, give me a second guys, let me check for 1 minute. I just need to be sure because I remember the changes one of the temperature.
Huh? So did I?
Wait,
I don't know.
I'm
just
angry now.
I'm just joking.
Oi.
What for grandparents' house tomorrow? I cannot go out.
Oh, it's gonna be in September.
My mom scolded me.
Too bad I can't make it.
Never mind.
Fake chicken only.
Sir, yes, it's okay. Put more than 60. It's the same, no change. So I'm hungry. Then buy food lah.
Check in class. Let's go eat.
Okay, so 1,3-dinitro, yeah.
I mean, if Iris to go this way, they did she find out. Oh shit.
Huh? First relationship for the girl. But Kabila, man.
Obviously not the first lah.
Not the first one.
Is Ira your
Third,
first?
third relationship.
This method, yeah. The time is Charlie on so.
First
I think
two
so.
fucking bum ass
Yeah,
girls.
first one was so bad. The second one was hell, bro. The second one was like 2 myself.
I highlight the new nitro group go into the third position, yeah. Okay, why? So guys, NO2 group, right, is electron withdrawing group. Okay, so guys, when you have electron withdrawing group, right, it's always ring deactivating, yeah. Which are 1, 3, 5 directing effect.
Which is it plus 2H2.
Sorry?
Plus 2H2.
Yeah, plus 2H2.
I only got one.
Usually 2H and O3, yeah.
Sarah?
Zine.
Oh no, they're really.
Yeah, nitrobenzene.
Not feeling tired. This is number one hitter for everything, bro.
Everything related to God.
Well, 1, 3 now. Because NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. Yeah, so 1, 3. Electron donating 2, 4. Electron withdrawing 1, 3.
Oh, I thought it's 4, 2. Why is it 5?
Sorry?
Why is it 1.5?
Yeah, because let's say if you have excess, then you can go into third position, fifth position. Because this position and this position are the same.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 4, 5.
Only for this.
Correct.
Who's that?
Always like that. Yes, always like that.
You are still
Wait,
Yes, come.
so electron,
But you have to be
can you repeat your last statement for the positions, please?
Come again.
Can you repeat your last statement for the position?
Alright, guys, again, if it's electron withdrawing group, it's gonna go 1, 3, 5. Electron donating is gonna activate 2, 4. Understand?
So why you said electron withdrawing group?
Now, NO2 is an electron withdrawing group.
Oh, okay, okay.
So guys, you see now let's say, okay, if I put instead of a normal LQ group, right, normal benzene, right, I have a CH3 here. Guys, what is this again? Please tell me now. This is an electron donating group, right? Which means which position gonna be activated? 2, 4, 6. Correct. Well done. Understand? That's it. So this time, if you use CH3, it's gonna activate 2, 4, 6. CH3 is LQ group, right? In AS, LQ group is always electron donating. NO2, you just did it today. But eventually, when we do chapter 30, I will re-emphasize it again. So now you just have to remember this, your NO2, it's an electron withdrawing group. Just memorize for now. But don't worry, eventually you will know automatically. Just like how you know LQ is electron donating. Okay, eventually we're going to repeat. Yes, 2, 4, 6 in excess, you are right.
Like, how much organic carbon?
How much of organic carbon?
It's like 3 chapters.
Okay, organic reaction, we only have chapter 27, 28, 29, 30, no more. Actually, that's 31. But I'm gonna skip 31. So basically, you only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This one paper is so overpowered. Because she.
Right. And we are not even half yet. You see? So that's why A2 is a bit GG. I cannot go fast. If I go fast, you see, I cannot, you guys cannot understand anything. I can go fast. I can ask you guys just copy and move on, but I cannot. Because A2 is way tougher. Alright, guys, okay. If you take methyl, I add HNO3. And guys, if I put it at 100 degree, concentrated H2SO4, where it's gonna go? Position 2, position 4, position 6. So you are substituting 3 HNO3 in and 3 H2 is removed. That's it. Aside.
Are you enjoying the banana? No.
Well, why use your banana skin wipe your face?
I wipe my banana.
Snatch it around.
All the weird heat, bro. Alright, guys, next. Trinitro-methylbenzene is used for trinitro-toluene. It's fine. This one, no. So, guys, let's go. So, reactant here, we have benzene. Oh, we can take an alkyl benzene now. Guys, by the way, we are not 50% done yet for this chapter. Not 50% yet. Benzene has the most reaction. Yeah, it's crazy. That's why I don't know why I cannot understand like how your school can cram everything, all the A2 content in just 3 months.
I'm still already finished A2 chem.
Already finished A2 chem. Insane like that. Taylor's one, hey, Taylor's one, same school one. Ask your
Same class also.
Yeah.
same class up.
Finished A2 on that.
Yeah.
Sure, my one started.
When started? October, November, no way, no right. October, November. What I can say is good luck to all my October, November kids. You guys will be blessed. I cannot. Chromatography. Yeah, don't worry. I need an editor to help me edit my video, upload on YouTube, or you guys go self-revision. You really need to, guys. Really, I really have. Go take some brother copy. Later. Alright, guys, next. Okay, so guys, what you need is a concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4. Okay, I need HNO3 and H2SO4. Guys, the temperature can be at 55 degree or can be greater than 60 degree. Okay, if it's 55 degree, you get 1 nitro. Greater than 60 degree, you get 2 nitro. If you're going for more than 100 degree, you get 3 nitro group. And guys, remember, you are substituting anything from the ring, right? If you're substituting from the ring, okay, so it's always electrophilic substitution. Okay, mechanism, electrophilic substitution. Done. Why? Let me see this. Alright, please copy down.
Three or five.
Which one?
Yeah, which one?
3 or 5 H2O? 3.
Oh.
Okay, all good. Yes, the temperature determines how many nitro. You are right. The temperature will determine how many nitro. Okay. Good. This part I need. I don't think I can finish this. It's okay. First A2 lesson, I'll let you guys go slightly earlier today. By the way, we are 50% done with this chapter. 50% only. Next week, we're gonna get benzene done. Okay. So your school finish all the A2. Huh? 73 pages. Don't worry, I'll show you some senior note. 73 pages. Let me show you this.
Most of it is just like
73. Yeah. No. You look at your electrochem. Your electrochem is the insane one. Now you see electrochem note itself is 47 pages. Note only note is still note 47 pages. Yeah, still note 50 plus pages electrochem. Transition element got 170 pages. God bless you guys.
Just pack, bro.
yeah.
Huh?
Not you.
Oh.
Okay, so I'll see you guys next week.
Oh, actually damn nice. Oh, that's my boobs.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Goodbye.
Bye bye. Oh, you almost slapped me.
Almost, but never.
Why you always open this blur?
Blurring.
I did not hit you, bro.
Please like and subscribe.
Someone
Please like and subscribe.